Welcome back. One of the things you'll notice inside of Outlook is that you have the ability to manage your contacts. And you will be able to manage them inside of your settings area. If you look past General and Mail, you're going to see your people here. And you do have settings where you can choose to display your contacts by their first name or their last name. You will be able to manage them from the dashboard. You're going to see this people link. And this will take you inside of your Outlook dashboard where you will be able to enter and manage your specific contacts. If you need to add a new contact, you can go here inside of Outlook. You can then click on New Contact. You'll then be able to enter the information that you'll have in your system for that contact. And these contacts will be available to you inside of the other applications that you're using in Microsoft 365. If we decide to start a new email, what we can do then is we can use the contacts that we have available inside of Outlook. And so if you have an existing contact, you will then be able to use that contact to send email to these individuals. You can add your contacts inside of specific lists. You can create a specific contact list, give your contact list a description. You can then add in the individual for that contact list. And you can then create the new contact list. When you are sending emails, you can use the contact list that you have available in order to contact all the individuals inside of your contact list. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.